Darlings. Darlings. Sweetheart.
This is my blog about Mayfair Hotel. I'll tell you what about my blog. It's the greatest thing I know. Go to YouTube and see my blog of what I do for the life I live. Blog off.
We get that's at 3 o'clock. 2 glass bottom boat.
Did you see it last time you come?
No.
Is it a cat?
Yeah, you're not allowed to touch it.
Right.
You've got to put him under the shade. It's spoiled.
Beautiful, isn't it? Take a picture of me as well.
Excuse me.
How many people is in the front? When you look in the front, it looks like we're moving. It looks like we're going forward.
tell me when I finish story about the shipwreck. Thank you. Welcome on our boat, San Rafael One Super Jumbo. Soon we will arrive into a shipwreck. This shipwreck we'll visit today. It was a Spanish cargo vessel which you call Vera K. The name of the shipwreck vessel which you call Vera K. It's coming for the first time to Ireland, 12 January 1953. It's coming from a shipping line. It's a 4-kilometer street end. All the ships, when I come and visit Cyprus, must pass from a shipping line over there. Also, the Vera K. But it was very, very stormy night, big waves, big rough. And the Vera K have a problem in engine. So, the big waves guys have pushed the Vera K by its side and just came over here in the shallow water where we're going now. And finally, the captain can lose control and came and crashed on the reefs and stuck. He couldn't stand. It was too shallow. Most of the ship, it was above the water. If you stand in a dry land, you thinking it's still a ship sailing, but it could go nowhere. Well, what happened guys to the ship to be under? In 1974, we have invasion on the north part of islands by the Turks. We had a war. So the Turks also flood our area to Patros will try to bomb military places. And for example, guys, as we all know, it's the harbor. The harbor in old days is not a restaurant or cafeteria, no. It was a small military place and one long big store room to try to get the melon, the carrots, the fruit, the vegetables, only for export, all gone. And rebuild again a restaurant and cafeterias as we can see nowadays. Also guys, the shipwreck we visit today have been destroyed 20th of July 1974. Join the war with Turkish and be under pieces as we're gonna see a few minutes. Guys, everyone understand my Chinese?
Yes, yes.
You understand? Yeah. Okay guys, how many meters deep now? 12 meters deep now guys. 12 meters deep. Now guys, we start coming up the reefs now, 9 meters deep here. Okay guys, 5 meters deep now. Yeah, that's why Vera K stuck over here. Then we're going 13 meters deep again. It's a big hole from the pumps. Make your cameras ready if you take some picture while arriving now.
Did they get the crew off?
Yes.
It's Charlie's understanding.
Now here. Guys, first is coming now here. Come now.
You can see it.
Over here guys, you can see the engine. That's the engine is the boat. And the mine deck's coming now. Over here guys, you can see the man deck. Like this one. It's man deck now, you can see it.
Він доволен, так? Ти довольний? І щасливий.
Stop. Stop. Over here guys, now you can see that's the very top of the ship, what we call a bridge. Room control and house of the captain before, the cabina for the captain. Guys, the ship it was 83 meters long. And 9 people screwed, all of them have a rescue over time by British military helicopters. All of them survived, nobody died. Okay guys, everyone see the shipwreck, yeah? Now we're going to the next one to the natural sponges. Everyone knows the natural sponges, yeah? SpongeBob. But we know them yellow, golden color. In the water, guys, this type of sponge for cancer now is totally different color. Anyone know which color down? Which color? Black. Black. How do you know? Yes. That is correct. It's a dark black color. And I can explain why. And I can explain why it's dark in the water. But in 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, until 1990, most of the people here in Cyprus have been sponge divers. Why? Because guys, this type of sponge, the black ones, it was very, very expensive dive. Actually, guys, it's not only Cyprus, like Greeks, Italian, French, even Spanish, coming after this type of sponge because, as I said, it was very expensive. Until 1990, the government decided to stop all the pyramid for divers. And the reason it's simple. It's nearly no sponges left. It's a big catastrophe, mega disaster. In marine biology, to believe the world come back to normal, at least we need 200 surveys. Wow. Why? Because guys, that's plant and they grow very, very slow. This size here, the black ones, over 50 years old. Wow. Yeah, they don't die. Okay guys, now we're looking for around the black objects looks like a black stone or a black mushroom. If you see one, please open your hand. Can everyone see, because it's a very rare nowadays. You must be sharp, guys. And this one's over here, guys. Big ones there. No. 1990. 1990.
Under there, there's two.
Yeah, two of them, yeah.
Big one and small one.
Yeah.
Держися, тут держися. Ні, зараз. Держися.
You having a good time, Slick? Where's your mother? Over there. Hiya, mother.
I want to swim along the fish, but I can't get down.
Ouch. The card's being declined for some reason.
Just get on one. I thought it was here and I thought it was with you. That bad.
You know what? It just shows how addicted the phone is that he's trying to sell products. He's there.
Yeah.
Loads of people.